Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into my review of Ynab, or You Need a Budget, and asking the big question. Is it worth it in 2025? If you're struggling with your finances or just want a better handle on your money, this could be the game changer you've been looking for. Let's get started. First off, what exactly is Ynab? It's a budgeting app designed to help you take control of your finances by assigning every dollar a specific job. Unlike traditional budgets that track what you've already spent, Ynab focuses on planning ahead, which is perfect for building long-term financial health. Now, let's talk about its key features. Ynab offers zero-based budgeting, meaning your income minus your expenses should equal zero. It has a user-friendly mobile app, detailed reports to track your progress, and tools for setting financial goals like saving for a vacation or paying off debt. Plus, in 2025, they've updated with AI-driven insights to make recommendations based on your spending habits. The pros are pretty compelling. Users often report better financial awareness, reduced stress, and real debt payoff success. It's educational, teaching you to prioritize needs over wants, and the community support is fantastic for beginners. But it's not all sunshine. The cons include a monthly subscription fee, which might feel steep at around $15, and there's a learning curve. It takes time to get used to the system. Some find it too rigid or overwhelming if you're not ready for that level of detail. So, is Ynab worth it in 2025? Absolutely, if you're committed to improving your finances. With rising costs and economic uncertainty, its proactive approach could save you money in the long run. If you're casual about budgeting, you might want to try free alternatives first. If this review helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Let me know in the comments if you've used Ynab. What's your experience? Thanks for watching, and see you next time.